What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we are out here off-roading by ourselves because no one wants to have heat stroke with me today. Right now we are on a trail called Metal Masher, so we're not going to try to mash too much metal by myself over here. So let's hit this trail and kind of see how it is. Never been to this trail, so let's go have some fun. Alright, so you can kind of tell this trail is like a blue and a black, so I think they kind of just link between Metal Masher and this other easy trail. So far it's been pretty easy here, so I'm gonna get into some rock crawling. Hopefully we can find some up here. All right, we got three lines here. We got the really steep one, and the medium rock crawl steep one, or the kind of the wash. I think I'm gonna do this one. I decided to, I decided to kind of walk the trail a little bit, and yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to do this by ourselves. So I guess we're gonna have to take the easy route, because you pretty much got to straddle this wall right here. Pretty much got to straddle this wall to get the truck through. And we're by ourselves. Jeez, this is a freaking bee's nest. We made it back onto Metal Masher, so we just took one big bypass. That's cool, but oh shit, we ain't gonna be able to do that. Let's go check it out. Fuck. Right, I think we have this, but I am not sure if I want to go for it just today. So kind of ride that side of the wall. Someone's already put a bunch of rocks in there, and then you ride this one. I think we got it, but we're just gonna wait till we got some homies out here with me. So this trail is really cool. This trail is really cool, honestly. I've been looking for something like this in Arizona for a while, so we're gonna have to get some homies out here to do this one with me. Because right now we're by ourselves, no service, it's 110 degrees outside. You know, I'm making all those excuses, but I'm being honest here. So I'm gonna get some homies out here. We'll actually hit this trail and do all the obstacles around here. So I think we're gonna skip that one. We're just scouting, you know. We're boy scouting out here. So let's get back in the truck and go on the Willow Springs trail. The Willow Springs. This guys, like a little fucking cave. Go camping in the cave. This would be pretty rad. Is anyone home? Hello? This is cool. Pretty cool little camp spot. I don't know why they got two right here, but guys, this is so cool. I love exploring. We're like up on the foot of the mountains now. I've never been out this way, really. Yeah, this is really, really cool. Well, we have reached the end, and I'm gonna get out and eat my breakfast a little bit and talk to you guys, all right? Wow, I found my favorite off-road trail in Arizona. I didn't think it was possible, but it's a little obstacle right here. It's pretty cool. It's just, I never see any like cool spots in Arizona except this one. This one's pretty cool, so I've just been scouting more often. So yeah, I like this. Just not by myself. I'll definitely wait until the homies are with me to hit this obstacle. Just kind of scouting out for some cool videos, you know. So on Onyx, it says I'm at the very end, but like this looks like it's where the fun starts. The rest of the trail is pretty easy. Like this parts of Metal Masher, it says 8 out of 10, but there's only like 2 obstacles that was a little that I had to hit the bypass with. Yeah, this spot's looking pretty cool. It's hot as shit right now. It's about to be 100 degrees, and yeah. Should we try that next time? Like vertical. That'd be fun. Alright everybody, that is Metal Masher, beginning of Metal Masher trail. Sorry, I've been having hiccups all week. It's killing me. But that's Metal Masher trail right there. It was pretty fun. Bring some boys out there next time and hit all the hard stuff, so that's going to be fun. Sorry about last week's video. It's a Tacoma video. I know, guys, I know. I don't like them. I just made it to get all the Tacoma boys to watch my channel, okay? Shh, don't tell nobody. But, I mean, they're alright, whatever. They're alright. They do the job. But, no more of that bullshit. This is a real American-made truck video channel, adventure channel, so, yeah. But, I do want some other rigs on the channel, like I said, Frontier, Tacoma. It would just be fun to kind of compare and contrast about, you know, what or what. But yeah, I would love to come out here with the boys and hit all the hard sections because they are doable. You know, just need a spotter. But I do understand if nobody wants to come out with me. It is 115 degrees outside, and you know, it gets uncomfortable a little bit, especially when you're filming. I'm sorry that the tripod broke. I broke the tripod so I couldn't get any cool clips or anything really, just jump shots and shit. But like I said last video, ZR2 fender flares, fridge install, and I'm getting a new rack maybe, and I'm mount my awning back up. Yeah, just got a lot of things going on right now at home, so we're just making videos. We're trying to make the videos for you guys, and I'm dying out here with hiccups. This is like day 2, all day hiccups. I don't know what's going on, and I feel like I'm gonna die. But like I said, I really like this trail. It's actually a really fun trail for Arizona. I can't really seem to find any good off-road trails, like rock crawling sections, in Arizona. I don't know, maybe just where I'm looking, but if you know any, just throw it down in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I love all you guys' comments. It makes me happy when I see you guys comment. Yeah, I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it so much. Check out my shop. Caitlin is making some new merch for everybody, and I'm really digging it. I'll have some samples pretty soon of what they look like, but right now we have some other merch on there, and it would tickle me pink if you guys bought some merch, because I think we got some big plans in the future, so that'll help out. But I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Peace out. Take it easy. Bye.